Think simple quick meals have to be plain, boring, and predictable? Wait till you see this. I use the minimum amount of harissa paste here. Perfect if you prefer milder heat, but if you're like me and love bold, spicy flavors, feel free to double or even triple it. This recipe makes 4 servings with about 390 calories each, not including any sides. It pairs perfectly with white rice, brown rice, or cauliflower rice. Just like the one I made in my last video, which I have linked below the description if you would like to check it out. I highly recommend it. And for a vegan version, simply skip the beef and feta cheese. You will still get plenty of bold Mediterranean flavors. If today's tips helped you cook smarter, give it a like and subscribe. My goal is to bring flavor-forward, time-saving Mediterranean recipes that work for all ages, especially 65 plus. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video as we explore a plant-based Mediterranean dish that is easy and offers plenty of flavors. Until then, stay healthy and take care.